Hello, my name is Bryson Lemieux, and I'm currently taking computer science and software engineering. In computer science and software engineering, we have been building a car program that welcomes you when you turn on the vehicle, alerts you of what your gas level is at, and also alerts you of the weather. What we do this in is GitKraken, which is where we store it, and then PyCharm is coding, which is right here. It's loading. This is where we do the coding for our program. First thing we're going to check out is our welcome branch, which is already checked out, as you can tell by the check mark. And the commits we have in our welcome branch are add while loop while loading operating system. That's checked out, so we can go view that, which is right here. And what it does is displays this message and helps with the ellipse and our dots after our message. Our ellipses are repeats, so if you want 3 ellipses, you'll have to do 4, because they don't register all 4, they do 1 less than the number you type in. So we have 4 in there, so it'll only type 3, and then it'll reset and do 3 more again. And once it's loaded, it prints our operating system has loaded, and your retina has been scanned, and you are allowed to drive the vehicle. We also have time variable, which is the time it takes to, right here, how many dots it will print. It'll do 20 dots before it prints this line. And then our next thing we're going to view is our weather. So to check out a branch, you double click conflicts. Oh, I did not want to make a whip. Okay. To check out weather, you double click, and now that branch is checked out, and we can view that in PyCharm. Weather is one of the longer branches. In here, we programmed it to print out the weather of when you're driving. We have our libraries here, and then we have weather defined here. Weather forecast is one of our variables, which stores a list, and our list is snowing, blizzard, rain, foggy, windy, icy, sunny, or cloudy. That's what our program can choose from. That's what our program can do. Our weather condition, random choice, and then it chooses one of these from the list. And then weather alert will alert the driver of the weather. And then this is our vehicle response system to the weather. So if it's snowing, that's what an if statement is. If something is happening, then this will happen. So if it's snowing, weather service has updated your alarm by 30 minutes because of the forecast of snow. Vehicle response has been engaged, only allowing us to drive 50 miles per hour. so it limits our speed. And then elif is other if statements. So this one is blizzard. So the weather service has been updated by 45 minutes because of the forecast. Blizzard. Vehicle response has been engaged, only allowing us to drive 30. And it does this for each type of weather. Then else means it's just a nice day. Same for sunny. If there's no weather, it'll just pop up with this saying the weather forecast is calling for a probably say sunny day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your drive to work. And then that's the end of the weather program. The commits we have in our weather program: added vehicle response, which is what we looked at. What was that list of elif and if statements? And then where else we have? We added libraries. We saw that too. And then we also, we have to run the program. And as you can see here, updated our alarm by 60 minutes because of icy. Vehicle response is only allowing us to drive 25, and it has all of them in here. Like this, it's calling for a sunny day, so enjoy your drive to work. It does the same thing for our welcome screen. There's those dots only printing 3 at a time and then resetting. And then once it's gone through the 20 dots, it'll come up with this, letting you drive your vehicle. The next branch we're going to view is gasoline. Gasoline is also one of the longer branches. And what we're going to do in here is hang on. Let's just do it side by side. There we go. Okay. This is our gasoline code. One of our scooch that in. We have a gas level alert function in here. We also have list of gas stations, miles to gas stations, quarter tank, gas level alert, miles to gas station. We have our libraries. This is our library section: import random, and from time import sleep. And this is our gas level gauge. It has our gas level list, which has a list of the options for our gas level. It'll tell the driver what their tank is. And then the list of gas stations we have for the car to tell the driver is right here. And then our gas level alert will alert the driver of how many miles till they're out of gas. And we have 2 options: gas level low and gas level quarter tank. And you have 1 to 25 miles for a low tank and 25 to 50 miles for a quarter tank. Anywhere in between those options. And then our gas level indicator will tell the driver. So our gas level indicator, so we have more if statements here. So if gas level indicator says it's 0, then the program will print you are on empty, and then it'll sleep for 1.25 seconds, which means it won't print anything, and then it'll say calling AAA. Oh, let's fix this. Okay. Dang it. There. And if gas level indicator says it's low, our gas is extremely low, it will check for the nearest gas stations, and then it'll sleep a second and a half, and then it'll tell the closest gas station and how many miles to that gas station. We have quarter tank. It tells us we have a quarter tank. It'll check for the nearest gas station, sleep second and a half, and then list the closest gas station and how many miles to gas station. Same for half tank, but for full tank, it'll congratulate you and it'll say drive. And then that is the gas level branch. And then we also have a beta test dev branch, which has all of our program in it combined, has our gas level, our welcome screen. It'll have all of it. And then what we do in our beta test dev is we merge. In merging, you can see all of this here is merged. So everything gets merged into our main, which is our main, the big thing that has all of our program together. And then individually, we merge gasoline, weather, welcome screen all into beta test dev and then to main. We also move parts of the program around, like if you bring this over, you can see merge branch beta test dev into main, so that is in main. But we also have welcome screen into beta test dev, like I was saying, gasoline into beta test dev into main right there. It's been merged into the main. And then we test it. So on beta test dev, we run the program as a whole before we put it on our main, so we can make sure there's nothing wrong with our program. Gas tank is full. Vroom vroom. And the main branch has everything. When we run this, it'll do the same thing because our beta test dev in main is good. There it is. You're able to drive the vehicle. Gasoline branch. Our tank is full again. Let's get one where it's not full. Yeah, here we go. We have a quarter tank of gasoline. Checking Google Maps for the closest gas station. Closest gas station is Marathon, which is 44.5 miles away. And that is GitKraken and PyCharm. And we have, if you look at all these little computers here, it says they're local. But if you look next to them, remote branch, which means we push them to GitHub, which is like a cloud for GitKraken. It's on the internet, so anyone can come and view it, which is here. Our GitKraken, which has all of our code here online, where anyone can come and view it, and where we send it out to the buyer. And you can see our welcome. You can see our welcome branch here, and the start of our gasoline branch here. Thank you for watching my vlog on programming GitKraken and PyCharm. And